the way reggae. I could be a long. Squanda Liza. Fire. Make a sense. Are you Ali?
I know it's gonna sound wrong, but I would really want to know who Mr. Squanda is. Hey y'all, it's your girl Candice and you're watching Masvingo Glam, and your girl has been working very hard to make this show the toughest thing in town. Guess who's in the place? Lady Squanda. What's up?
Hi.
Can you just introduce yourself?
What's up, Zimbabwe? You're staring at the dance queen, Squanda Fire. Yeah, the Ricky ambassador, the queen of Zimdancehall.
Okay, this is the first time I'm actually having a dancehall artist on the show, and this is so exciting. So please tell me, what are you doing in Masvingo? What's up?
I don't even know what I'm doing here.
Okay.
No, I'm kidding. I was here for this event.
Okay.
Yesterday, there were people contesting.
Alright.
So I was the judge. I didn't even know that you in Masvingo.
Alright. Okay, and the winners were deserving.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me about dancing. Okay, generally being a female artist in this genre, how is it?
I'll never say goodbye, cause you're my number one.
At first, when I started, it was a little bit hectic.
Okay.
You know, people didn't understand what is she saying, you know.
Alright.
And some people thought that dancehall was only for men.
Alright.
So it was a little bit difficult for me to let people know what I know and to let them think what I think. I started singing I can't even remember the days and the dates.
Okay.
It was called Dara Dara.
Okay.
It's been quite a long journey. I believe I'm a person who has a lot of pride. Okay. So I don't believe in people inspiring me. I believe in inspiring myself. You know, since I was a little child, I knew that this is what I want to be. This is what I want to do. So I inspired myself through that. Through listening to my music, through seeing myself on TV. And I don't know.
Okay, that's nice.
Masuru ndichazokuona ifuti here ndokufunga pese pandenge ndire ndovimba kutenga ikoko mugere daimekwanisa madzuka mona kwere andino shema pese pandinomuka musipo pasaidi pangu shema.
So who have you worked with?
I've worked with a lot of artists.
Right.
I've worked with Freeman, I've worked with Cascoria, I've worked with Kina, I've worked with Magical, I've worked with
so many people. Okay, given a choice to work with an international artist, who would you want to have a collaboration with?
I think Alkaline.
Alkaline, I support that.
Jopata sensai iko shingo mju wangu muhana mako wakabuda ni utinde chawi sapai ndane hati breki so wakate mura moyo wangu note ndi chawi sone wanani ndane hati breki ndasuwa kukubarura ndasuwa kuenda nawe kubizi ndiwe munwa ndoda ukara nae asira ushisiwe ziro tone muwa kupenana nae ndiwe munwa ndoda ukara nae asira ushisiwe ziro tone muwa kupenana nae saka pachisina diri.
I think we are facing a lot of challenges. Like here in Zimbabwe, people didn't know dancehall. They didn't understand what dancehall was. So it's a little bit difficult for people to accept that genre. You know, it's something that has never been done in Zimbabwe, and it's something that's so very hard to accept. But I think people are getting to know dancehall better. But I can do hip hop, I can do rap, I can do gospel, I can even do sungura. But I believe that's not me.
Okay.
Yeah, when we talk of Squanda, we talk of dance. So if I'm to sing hip hop, I don't know. It's just gonna be something different.
Alright.
Wakanditi waiso kwanisa kundipa zvese zvinhu zvandaida wakandinyengetsa ndikuregreta rudo rwangu rwawakapedza chinomanikidza pfungwa dzangu chinitenderedza chindiringidza ndakasenge ndikumanikidza uchandirembekedza ndokukungura nguva yandakapedza ndichidanana newe ndakarwa nevasikana vakawanda ndichirwira iwewe dai zvakangonzi hakuna rudo kunyange Jesu akafanerudo iko zvinonda netene.
I've performed in Mozambique.
Alright.
I've performed in SA.
Alright.
I've been to UK.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
I've been to Zambia.
Alright, so how was the response there?
The response there was quite good.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm looking at your fingers.
Yeah.
The left side, and I think I'm seeing a ring. Can you please explain that to us? Can you please explain that one?
The ring, I love this ring.
Okay, it's not a wedding ring. It's not wedding bell.
It's not a wedding ring. It's not a
Alright.
wedding ring. It's
It's what? A promise ring.
no, it's actually an engagement ring.
Wow. Okay, I know it's gonna sound wrong, but I would really want to know who Mr. Squanda is.
I'm engaged to Jesus Christ.
Oh, okay.
Serious.
So,
We got engaged last year in November.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, last year.
Oh.
So he gave me this ring and then he said, please never take it off. That's why I'm always with
Kadoshama, makure nechitenda samasimba nekundipa upenyu kunyange upenyu siyore ndanga ndakasinzina ndasvinura dhivo vadzitatione ndanga ndakasviba zvekuti ndo.
Besides music, I wanted to be a book writer.
Alright.
But I couldn't because I don't know. Maybe Zanga is single.
Alright. Okay. And what's the basis of your tracks? What pushes you to write a track? To say I'm sitting down, I'm writing this track.
I believe people around me.
Okay.
People around me, they push me hard to sing what's happening in the ghetto, what's happening in town, what's happening, I don't know, everywhere. So I believe that people around me, especially my ghetto youths, I'm inspired by my ghetto youths. When I see them dancing, my clacks, you know, they inspire me a lot. And when I see those gangsters and ghetto youths doing their stuff like music, it really pushes me to write some more music so that those guys can listen to my music more.
wakanganisa madreams angu ese andeda kuti wewe ndenitirunge wakanganisa upenyu hwangu hakuna munhu achandida kunze kwangu kunyange hama dzangu ndaidzivhairira hopa kumana ndakaramba nekuda kwakwa iwewe indokukungura nguva yandakapedza ndichidanana newe ndakarwa nevasikana vakawanda ndichirwira iwewe dai zvakangonzi hakuna rudo nyangwe Jesu akafa nerudo iko zvino ndaneta nekurwira rudo ndaneta nekurwira rudo.
I love praying.
Okay.
And most of my time when I'm free, I don't know, I'm just listening to music. I listen to music a lot.
Okay.
A lot. I can spend my 24 hours every day listening to music. The only advice that I can give to those people who want to join the music industry is they should just keep trying hard.
Alright.
It's not an easy thing to be Lady Squanda, you know. She knows it's very hard because I'm always facing a lot of challenges. So to those another in the music industry, I think one of them should try hard. Plus, because you know, so if you pray for him to do something for you, he will do that. So I don't know, they should just keep praying.
Right. Okay. Thank you so much, girl. I love your music. I love what you're doing. It is so nice. You're pushing us as women and we are taking it as girls. It's your girl Candice. You have been watching Masvingo Glam. I'm out.
Upenyu unorema udimu nakakodzera sakagara waseta level inyaye ma level vamwe voti ninoshandiswa na devil asi aiwa manyepo kana ukagona kuseta level saka seta level daraba kudara dara vamwe vakambozama ndokugumira munzira upenyu unorema udidiji akakodzera saka vide seta level vamwe vakuti unoshandiswa na devil aiwa manyepo kana ukagona kuseta level vakuti unoshandiswa na devil asi aiwa manyepo vakakuona uchifamba chafunga kuti zvimwe una paipesuweje utori munhuwo kumba kwenyu unotodya sadza nekabeji asi sadj video vane knowledge chipwasha disadvantage iko zvino zita rako takurishedzera kumaruwa nekumavillage seta level. It's a Lady Squanda Fire.
analyzer. Yes, I big up Fidelis. Can you know see